Hi friends, welcome to our live streaming. I'm Lotus. This is Vinia.
Yeah.
Hi Vinia.
Yeah, hi Lotus. Hi friends, warmly welcome to Perfect Power. Yeah, this is Vinia, and warmly welcome to our living streaming room. Yeah, Lotus, what we want to introduce to our friends?
Next we will introduce our MMA-200CS.
Yeah, CS means cellulose. Cellulose electrode. Yeah. For this machine, it can weld cellulose electrode. Yeah. Okay, Lotus, maybe firstly we can make a general introduction of this machine. General introduction function of this machine. Yeah, to our friends. Yeah. Hi friends. For this machine, it can weld. For this machine, it can support both 110 voltage and also 220. Yeah, up or down 50%. For the fluctuation, I mean the input voltage fluctuation can be 15%. Yeah. In this way, it means it can work from 85 voltage to 130 voltage. So it is it is wider range, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Wide range.
Yeah, wider range, and also it can work from 180 to 250. Yeah,
250
for this machine. So as you can see, friends, this machine can almost work with the generator, right?
Oh, right, generator.
Yeah, generator friendly. Generator friendly. In addition, this machine, its open circuit voltage is high. Yeah.
How much?
Yeah. It's about 80 voltage. 80 voltage. So, hi friends, as you know, in the market, the open circuit voltage, the OCV, is generally about 60 or 70 in the market for the traditional MMA welding machine. But for this machine, our machine,
80.
Yeah, 80. 80 open circuit voltage. So the high open circuit voltage ensures smooth welding for cellulose electrode. Cellulose electrode such as E6010, E7018, and even E6013, E6013. Yeah. So, hi friends, if you need to weld some cellulose electrode, just contact us. Our machine can weld cellulose electrode because, as you know, the cellulose electrode is sticking. Yeah. For the is sticking and will stick the working welding plant. But for our machine, because of its high open circuit voltage, don't afraid of the sticking of the cellulose electrode. It can weld the cellulose electrode smoothly. Yeah. So for the following
fantastic.
Time, yeah, fantastic. Yeah. So for the following time, you can see our engineer operation for the cellulose electrode. Yeah.
Okay, welcome back.
Yeah, as you see, we are having it on hand now.
We are having it in hand now. Let's have a look at it. Differ from ARC200D, we can see MMA-200CS has a bigger handle.
Yeah, it's also designed for easy carry. Yeah.
Vinia, could you please also introduce us its major features?
Yeah, I will make conclusion for the main features. Yeah, it is. I can make comparison with the last model, the ARC200D, the digital control one, the intelligent one. For our MMA-200CS, this model, for these two models, they are both for a DIY type. household, wide used on kitchenware and metal furniture, and also for the farm fence. Yeah, they are all robust and compact. Compact and robust. It can be taken to any working place, easy for storage and transportation. Yeah, because it is compact and robust, right?
Light.
Right. Secondly, it also has the arc force and anti-sticking, but it is the built-in arc force and anti-sticking. And also the hot start technology has the hot start technology and the overloaded protection tool. Yeah, these features will ensure easy and stable smooth welding process. Right?
Cool.
Yeah. Also, for this machine, it has the IGBT technology. Thanks to the IGBT technology, efficiency can reach to 85%.
85%.
Yeah.
Okay, next let's introduce its accessories for you.
Yeah, friends, keep stay with us. We'll introduce its standard accessories
First
to you. MMA welding table. It's the MMA welding table for you.
Welding cable. Second,
it is the earth cable.
Earth cable.
Welding table.
Next,
it's the welding mask. So friends, you know when we welding, we need the mask. And we have things it for you in advance. We'll fit the welding mask for you as standard accessories.
Standard. And
the hammer brush. Yeah.
Hammer and brush.
It is also the standard accessories for you. Yeah. So friends, as you see, for this machine, we have fit the complete accessories, right? Complete accessories. The MMA welding cable, the earth cable. Yeah, the welding mask.
Mask.
Yeah, mask. And the hammer brush.
Hammer and brush.
Hammer and brush. So friends, when you buy this machine, you can just plug and then weld. You needn't to buy any more accessories, right?
Fantastic.
Yeah, fantastic.
Normally, we use this machine on what kind of working environment?
The condition, the usage application for this machine is can be for DIY market.
DIY market.
Also can be for the light fabrication. Because it can weld the cellulose electrode. The cellulose electrode can be welded outside, the outside place. Yeah, in the field. In the field place, you can use this machine because it has the advantage for welding cellulose electrode. Yeah. Also, because it can work with the generator, so you can use it in the industry field. Outside, you can connect it with the generator. You can work it with the generator outside for welding. Also for the farm fence welding, carbon steel welding. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Its welding performance is perfect. We can show it later. Yeah. So, hi friends. Yeah.
Can every machine work with a generator?
No.
Only this one?
Traditionally, the machine don't have the function to work with the generator because the output voltage of the generator
is not stable.
Not stable, fluctuate. But this machine can bear this kind of fluctuation. It can work well and the fluctuation of the voltage. Yeah,
that's really good.
So this machine is robust, right? Robust. It can bear the fluctuation of the generator. Yeah. This machine can work well with the generator and can weld the cellulose electrode. So it can work for the industry, for the light fabrication. Light in fabrication. Yeah.
Okay, next let's take a look at a panel.
Yeah. Now we can look at this panel. As you see, it is for the temperature adjusting. The maximum is about 200. And as you can see, this is the input voltage. The input voltage of this machine is 110 and 220. It's the standard. It's the standard for And as you see, it is alarming for overloaded. Yeah, for overloaded or for some abnormal situation. So this machine has the alarming function. Can tell you in advance. So in this way, it can keep the long time working. Long time working.
Protect the machine itself.
Yeah, protect the machine itself. Can avoid over duty, overloading. As you see, there is also the big socket, right? Big size socket, about 35 to 50.
35 to 50.
Yeah, for the big size. Yeah. Hi friends. For the next step, our engineer will demo this machine for you. So keep stay with us. Yeah.
Hi, Vinia.
Yeah.
What's this in your hand?
It is the cellulose electrode we usually use for this machine. Cellulose electrode. This machine can weld cellulose electrode because its open circuit voltage is high.
80.
Yeah, 80
voltage.
80 voltage. Yeah. Hi friends. Yeah, maybe we can make a conclusion.
Okay,
the main
please.
feature. Yeah, main feature of this machine. Firstly, for this machine, it is generator friendly.
Generally friendly.
Generator friendly. Generator friendly. It can bear the fluctuation of the generator.
Can connect with the generator.
Can work with the generator. Generator because it can bear the fluctuation of the voltage from the generator. And secondly, it has the high circuit voltage. Yeah,
80 voltage.
Yeah, 80 voltage. And in the market, normally the voltage of the MMA welding machine is 60 or 70, but ours is 80. Yeah. So the transformer is large inside. And then it has the built-in arc force and hot start to ensure the smooth welding process. So it can avoid the sticking of the cellulose electrode. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So conclusion finished. Next is the promotion time.
Yeah. Hi friends, if you are interested in this machine, just contact us. We can provide you the discount. 10% discount.
10% discount.
Yeah. So also we have more bonus for you. Just keep us and contact us. You can get more bonus.
If you want to know anything more or you have any question, please feel free to contact us.
Yeah. See you.